Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be going over on how to perform a factory reset on your new Samsung A02s. So let's begin with the video now.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Serg-Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So like I said on the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset so your phone is completely on its factory settings. And I'm going to show you two methods to do this, and the first one is going to be through the settings, and the second one is going to be in case you don't know the password of your device. So for the first one, all you have to do is go to our settings. We're just going to swipe up and look for settings. Once we're here, we're going to go all the way down to where it says general management. Once we see that option on the screen, we're going to select it and we're going to go to reset. Right here, we're going to go to reset settings, and we're going to have a little prompt that says that this will reset all the settings on your phone excepting the security settings. We're going to go to reset, and once we're there, we're going to go to factory data reset. So here you're going to have a little message that is going to tell you that it's going to erase everything, including the Google account, system and app data, and all of that. And once you're ready, you're going to press reset and you're going to follow the steps and your reset will begin. And now for the second method, if you don't know the password to your phone and you're trying to get access to it, performing the factory reset is going to delete every single data from your phone, and it's also going to allow you to come back and set up your phone as new. So all we got to do is press volume down and the plug button at the same time until the screen turns off. And now the screen is off, we can press volume up and plug button until we see the Samsung logo. We can let go. And we are on the Android recovery menu. So all we're gonna do now is move around the menu with volume up and down to go up and down, and to select we press the plug button. So right here we're gonna head to wipe data factory reset. We're gonna select the black button, and once you're in there you're gonna go down one more time, factory data reset. So now everything is gonna start loading and deleting every single data of your phone. Once it's ready, you're gonna see this message at the bottom that is gonna say data wipe complete. So we just select reboot system now. We just wait a couple minutes.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own city.
And here we can tell that the Samsung is booting up.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
And your phone is on the start up menu, so your phone has been completely erased to factory settings. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below if it helped you out. Subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, I will see you in the next video.